Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P2128 indicates a fault in the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor B, which has registered a high voltage reading. The primary role of the APP sensor is to monitor the accelerator pedal's position and convert that position into a voltage signal that the powertrain control module, PCM, utilizes to manage engine performance and throttle response. This sensor is typically integrated with the accelerator pedal module, located directly above the accelerator pedal assembly in the vehicle's footwell. When the sensor output voltage exceeds the specified threshold, the PCM flags it as an abnormality, triggering the DTC P2128 and illuminating the dashboard warning lights. Diagnosing this issue requires methodologies outlined in the service manual, starting with the necessary inspections and voltage evaluations. Proper repair ensures that the vehicle operates safely and maintains optimal performance. The P2128 error indicates high voltage output from the accelerator pedal position sensor B. This specific sensor works in conjunction with the throttle position sensor, providing crucial data to the PCM. Its location is integral to the accelerator pedal module, situated within the vehicle's footwell area, making it directly accessible to the driver's input. The main function of the APP sensor is to gauge the angle of the accelerator pedal and thus help the PCM calculate the correct throttle opening position. If the signal voltage from this sensor exceeds the designed threshold of approximately 4.0 volts, a fault is recorded. Early identification of this issue is key, as it may affect vehicle performance and safety due to improper throttle control. Several potential causes can lead to the P2128 fault. First, a faulty APP sensor itself may produce an erroneous high voltage signal, which directly contributes to the DTC being triggered. Secondly, there may be damaged wiring or poor connections within the circuit leading to the APP sensor or its connection with the PCM. Damaged wiring can short-circuit or misdirect the expected signals. Lastly, if both the APP sensor and the wiring are verified to be functioning properly, then a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM, could be at fault. This layered approach ensures thorough checking to uphold diagnostic integrity and accurate identification of the exact fault source. The presence of the P2128 code typically presents several noticeable symptoms. One of the first indicators is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, alerting the driver of a potential issue. Additionally, drivers may experience an unresponsive throttle, where pressing the accelerator pedal yields little to no change in engine speed. This can lead to dangerous driving conditions, especially in scenarios requiring rapid acceleration. Other symptoms may include erratic engine performance, such as unusual stalling or unexpected shifts in engine power output. Recognizing these symptoms early is crucial in determining the need for diagnostics and eventual repair to maintain the vehicle's reliability. The first troubleshooting step involves turning the vehicle to the on position without starting the engine. This mode allows the onboard diagnostic system to initialize and makes it possible to check the AMM, accelerator pedal module, readings easily. At this point, the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System can be utilized to view the APP sensor B voltage. The focus should be on ensuring that this voltage reading is below the defined threshold. Specifically, you want to determine if it exceeds 4.0 volts. Exceeding this threshold confirms that the fault exists and that more in-depth inspections will be necessary to pinpoint the specific cause of the high voltage signal. In the second troubleshooting step, focus shifts directly to the APP sensor itself. First, ensure that the sensor's connector, specifically the 6P type, is disconnected to allow for a safe inspection environment. With the sensor disconnected, use a multimeter to check the output voltage when the ignition is in the on mode. Under normal conditions, the output should be approximately 5.0 volts. If this voltage deviates significantly, a problem with the accelerator pedal module might be indicated. Additionally, verify the condition of the connector and the wires leading to it, ensuring there are no signs of wear, damage, or corrosion that could potentially affect sensor performance. The third troubleshooting step involves inspecting the circuit integrity of the SG2 open wire. To execute this, you'll need to ensure that both the APP sensor connector and PCM connector A are disconnected for safety. The HDS should be used to jump the SCS service check system line while you wait over a minute to allow the system to reset. After waiting, perform the open wire inspection by checking continuity and resistance. The expectation here is that there should be less than 1 ohm of resistance in the circuit. If resistance values are above this, it confirms a circuit problem that needs to be addressed prior to any further testing of the APP sensor or PCM. In the final troubleshooting step, the focus is on inspecting the PCM or powertrain control module for potential faults. If previous steps regarding the APP sensor and wiring yielded normal results, it's most likely that the PCM is to blame. The reason for this is that the PCM is the brain of the vehicle's engine management system and requires precise input from sensors to function correctly. Any discrepancies in the PCM can result in erroneous readings and malfunctions like those seen with the P2128 error. Conduct thorough testing and diagnostics on the PCM connections to determine its operational status. If found to be defective, replacing the PCM should rectify the issues associated with this DTC. After completing the identified repairs for the P2128, it's essential to clear the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, from the onboard computer system. This involves using the HDS to reset the system and clear any stored faults related to the APP sensor. Once cleared, perform a test drive under various conditions to observe whether any new symptoms arise and if the vehicle's performance aligns with manufacturer specifications. The key here is to monitor throttle response and overall engine behavior during operation. Should the check engine light remain off and no new codes reappear, the repair can be deemed successful. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding issues like the P2128 from arising in the future. Regular checks of the accelerator pedal position sensor, along with its connectors and wiring, can ensure that they are in optimal condition. Inspecting the wiring for any frays, cuts, or signs of corrosion should be part of annual vehicle maintenance. Ensuring these components are functioning properly not only prolongs their life, but also enhances vehicle performance and safety. Moreover, always address any other diagnostic codes promptly to avoid multiple systems being affected, sustaining the overall health of the vehicle's engine management system over time. To conclude, the DTC P2128 highlights an important fault related to the accelerator pedal position sensor B reporting high voltage. Understanding this error and its implications on vehicle performance is essential for maintaining a reliable driving experience. The troubleshooting steps outlined ensure a comprehensive approach to identifying the source of the problem. From verifying sensor readings to inspecting the circuit integrity and ultimately assessing the PCM, each stage is vital for accurate diagnosis. Timely repairs are crucial to restoring proper function and ensuring the vehicle operates without the risk of throttle response failures, enhancing both safety and performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.